Alrighty then. What's up, babes? So I don't know if I'm going to put this clip in the beginning or the end of this video, but I just wanted to come in and just give a disclaimer that after I completed this style, I came to the conclusion that this hair is absolute and utter trash. Do not purchase this hair. I do not recommend buying this hair. It's horrible. Okay, let me just get into why. So this DIY weaving system by Sensationnel, Shear, Muse is trash. And it has absolutely nothing to do with the price. I have bought hair that was super cheap and affordable. I bought hair under $30. $30 hair, $25 hair packs. Buy those frequently. And the hair lasts me a couple of days, a week, sometimes even longer. It does what it needs to do, even with me sleeping in it and all that good stuff. This hair, no. Okay, this is unacceptable. I don't care if the hair was $25 or $250. It should at least last me until the morning. Okay, this hair. Yeah, this hair is shedded like crazy. And I can deal with shedding, but when I say that this hair is shedded like crazy, I was constantly doing this. Pulling hair out. Literally, as I was doing the hair, I'm doing this. Pulling out glop. See, I'm doing this right now with this hair, and I'm not getting no shedded. But I did it when I was doing it with that hair, and as I was doing it, I'm like, granted, this is virgin hair. But anyways, it shed like nobody's business, and it tangled up and got frizzy like nobody's business as I was doing my hair, and as I was blending it, you know, trying to blend in my leave out, which I have some clips of that as well. But as I was doing that, I'm doing the hair, the back of it is getting tangled and getting matted up as I'm doing the hair. I'm just like, what the heck is going on? So I didn't even finish like blending my leave out in, or I didn't even finish the style like I wanted to. I just made it look presentable, and I actually ended up brushing the hair, making it flat, and putting it in a ponytail to the back. And then even the ponytail that I did, I couldn't leave the hair from the ponytail out because it looked like a bird's nest by the time I got done doing my hair. So I couldn't even leave the ponytail out. I literally had to braid the ponytail up, and I braided the ponytail up more like that. Then that looks crazy, so then I just put it in a bun. I could put it in a bun. Like, I had to put it in a bun, you know? And I'm just so disappointed because I'm like, I was so mad because for one, I wasted money, and then for two, I wasted time too. Like, I could have worn my own damn hair out and just been cool, but I wanted to try something new. I wanted to try some, you know, I like big hair, curly hair, so I'm like, let me try this out. Then to the beauty supply store. When I go get hair from the beauty supply store, I know what I'm doing. I know all about hair. I know how to pick out some good hair. I went to the beauty supply store, and I got bombarded by the lady that work in there. I hate when I go there and the ladies that work in there feel like because they work at the beauty supply store that they just know every single thing they need to know about hair and the products. Now, granted, some of them do, but 90% of the time, they don't know nothing. You just work here like you're just working in here. You know what I'm saying? So as I'm trying to shop, I had hair that I normally get in my hand, and I was gonna get that. But then she's like, oh no, you should try this out. It's new. I'm like, okay. It looks a little decent. I've used Sensationnel brand before. Let me give it a try now. I'm normally a model type of girl when it comes to getting like cheap pack hair like this. But I'm like, okay, I'll try it out. I'll try it. Never again. I knew better. I knew better when I bought the hair. I knew better, and I still did it, and I regret it. Just take this off the shelf, okay? Because this is horrible. Do not buy this hair, y'all. It will not last you past, listen. This hair is horrible. No product can save it. I put mousse in the hair, all that, and the mousse did make it look better as far as the frizzing go and making the curl pattern pop, but it did not, like, it just didn't do it. It didn't do it. It didn't stop it from tangling and matting up. It just made it look better, but It just didn't do what it was supposed to do, or what it should have done. That hair, I wasn't even expecting the hair to last me like all week. I just wanted to wear it for that weekend, and no, I just wanted to wear the hair just for that weekend, and it didn't last me 24 hours. I literally, the next morning I woke up, washed it out my hair, and I couldn't wash it out my hair fast enough. Don't buy this hair, y'all. I don't recommend this hair. If you do buy this hair, buy it with caution, and know that if you go out and you're gonna be out and about and active with this hair, it is not gonna last you no long. I feel like even if you was to sleep in this hair with a bonnet and the hair wrapped up, it's not gonna last you that long, because when you wake up in the morning, it's probably gonna be matted up from you laying on it, and throughout the day, the back of the hair will get tangled up and matted up, and it's gonna look crazy. Even if you do wear this hair, it's like a wig, like how they got it, it's not gonna last that long. Like, this is the type of hair, cheap synthetic hair, that when you touch it, you don't want nobody touching it. You don't want to touch it, because if you too much manipulation of the hair will cause it to frizz up and tangle and mat, which is what it was doing as I was doing it. So yeah, that's that on that. If you want to see the rest of the video, stay tuned. If I put this at the end of the video, thank you for watching. I love you guys, and I'll see y'all in the next video. Stay beautiful, stay away from this hair, and stay blessed. Find out some new hair that I got from my local beauty supply store. This hair is from the brand Sensationnel. Okay, comes in a package that looks just like this. This is a all-in-one type deal. 3 bundles of 18, 20, 22 inch, and I got this in the color 1B. I'm going to be doing a middle part quick weave with some leave out, but this comes with everything that you need. It comes with the closure, it comes with the 3 bundles, and then it comes with the it comes with a cap as well. It's called 3-way moon part curly, and this is what the packaging looks like, what the back looks like. That's the curl pattern right there. This costs $29.99 in my local beauty supply store, but it was 20% off, so you pay like $25 or something like that for it. Super cheap and affordable hair. We're about to see how it goes. I would not be using this closure. And again, I'm going to be doing a quick weave and letting you guys see how the hair looks at the end. This is not going to be a tutorial. This is just me showing you the hair.
Someone who's been through a trauma and is looking for a way to feel safe again and in control. There's nothing crazy about that. There are support groups, you know. I don't want a support group. They're full of people who can relate to everything you've been through.
I just said I don't want that.
Okay. Glad you're here.
Oh,
yes, sir. Thanks for the return.
Alright y'all, so I have just completed my Quickweave. And this is my leave out. I'm gonna show you guys how I blend this, so don't worry, stay tuned to the end so you can see how I do my leave out. But this is just pretty much how the hair is looking. I'm 5'5", and this is where it lands on me. I got all bundles in, the 22, the 20, and the 18 inch are all in my head. And the hair has gotten just a little bit frizzy as I was doing it, but that's okay. I'm gonna just get some mousse and I'm gonna show you what I'm gonna do to fix the frizziness. So as you can see, I was pretty satisfied with the hair when I initially completed my hair. The hair was soft, it looked pretty, and it was bouncy, and it was gorgeous. But as I continued to get dressed, take a shower, do my leave out, and I actually wrapped my hair up very carefully with my bonnets and stuff like that, the hair just became so big and just too big for my liking, and it just became frizzy and tangled up and matted. At this point, you see me out of the shower and I'm about to attempt to lay down my leave out. Now I am showing you, if this hair was good hair, this is how I would blend my leave out. My hair blow dried out straight. I am fully natural, so my hair was blown out straight. And I use, definitely always make sure you're using heat protectant, and I like to use the wax stick on my hair by Care to help lay my hair down to avoid frizziness on my natural leave out. And right now you just see me flat ironing my hair, and then I'm going to go in and curl my hair with the flat iron just so it can blend in with the extensions. So you're going to see that next. But the hair, I just didn't like it. I just didn't like it at all. I feel like maybe if I had used a closure, the closure would have made it blend in better, but the hair itself is just horrible quality. Like, even if I would use the closure, it still wouldn't have lasted that long because it would have just been nappy looking and matted up by the next day. I'm sure. I'm factual that it would have done that. So right now I'm just showing you me curling my leave out and how you can do that to make it blend in with this curly hair. Yeah, I just don't recommend this hair, y'all. Don't get it. If you do get it, expect to only be able to wear it. See how that blends in. But just expect to only wear it for a day or two, and then that's it. Like, don't even use this. Just wear it as a ponytail, because you don't want to be out here looking like you got a mop on your head. Like, no. I would recommend nobody get this hair, but yeah. So yeah guys, that pretty much sums up this video. Like I stated, I wasn't even going to post this video at all. I was just going to dead the footage, delete it, and just, you know, just do whatever with it. But I decided to go ahead and upload the video, so that's why you don't have an outro here. But that's pretty much it. I don't recommend this hair, and that's that on that. I love y'all. Bye.